G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. I just firstly want to start this episode by saying, sorry it's been so long since my last episode. Been super busy, had so much going on, but I'm super excited to share some news with you guys. A couple of weeks ago, me and a good mate of mine, Jordo, we went halves in a little piece of machinery, and today it's my first trip out on it. We got ourselves a brand new jet ski. Well, new to us, but second hand. But yeah, brand new for us. We're super excited. Yamaha Wave Runner. Thing's a weapon. Can't wait to get it out on heaps of missions. But first mission today, heading out to some of the local islands. Just gonna go for a cruise, see what happens. If there's anything there, if we get some viz out there, I'll definitely jump in the water and have a look around. But just want to take it out and test it out and show you guys the ski and a little bit of the close islands off where I live. So yeah, welcome to ski. We haven't named it yet. Chuck a comment in the description below if you think you've got a good name for it. But that's her there, the Yamaha Wave Runner VX Deluxe. So we're super pumped about that. We can't wait to get out and use it, and should be heaps of fun episodes out on it. But we're just going to jump straight on it now, start punching. We've got like a 30-minute drive, so we're going to jump on and start punching out. The weather looks pretty good for a couple of hours, so let's go check it out and we'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, so I just got out to one of the islands. It's pretty dirty. I found a couple little pieces of coral here that that I can sort of go a little bit of viz at, that I can see the bottom. So I'm just going to jump in here and have a look. Might find a cray or something like that. That's all we're really looking for today. Nothing too crazy, but just getting out here to test out the ski and have a bit of fun. But looks like a nice little spot here, so we'll just jump in and have a look real shallow and see what we can find. Have a look. All right guys, so we just pulled up, just dropped the anchor. Great little spot here, nice and shallow. Hopefully there's some viz in the water, but what I want to do over sort of, you know, the next couple of months and years is like tick off species slowly on the jet ski. So obviously you're going to start small with like trout and crays, easy stuff, but I want to try catch some big fish, get some max, that sort of stuff, and just start using this as like a little solo fish hunting exploring machine. So should be real fun, really excited, and man, it goes like a beast. Non-turbo, so it's an absolute weapon. So really excited. So All right, guys. Well, as you will just see, I missed two of the easiest crays. Could have been on my way home by now, but that's all right. It's pretty dirty in there, but there's a few bits and pieces around. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to punch across another like 5 minutes that away and see what I can find. So let's take my fins off, jump on, pull the anchor, and we'll head out that way. So see you back in the water. You. Alright guys, so just pulled up at the island. I've been mucking around with the drone trying to get it working, but for some reason it's just not working. So I'm going to jump back on the ski. I've got one last spot I want to dive that could produce a cray or a fish. If we get something, we get something. If we don't, we don't. It's been an unreal day. But have a look at this. How is this for a spot? Island all to myself. No one else here. What a treat. Guys, we just pulled up at that other spot and it is brown, like you can't see anything around here. So I'm just going to send it home. Unfortunately, didn't get to get any food today. Freeze is so bare as well, so won't be having fish for dinner tonight, but hopefully get out another adventure real soon. I'll punch it back in. I won't film till I get back and show you guys, you know, how to clean the ski and all that sort of stuff and give it a bit of a wash and chuck her away. Yeah, cheers for coming on the adventure. Thanks so much for all the support over the past sort of year. Over 500 subscribers now, which is awesome. On the road to 1,000, so share, like, comment, it all helps with the YouTube algorithm. So see how we go. I'll punch it home and I'll see you guys when we get back there. Alright guys, well, it's super windy. I just got back, had a shower. That wind really started to come in, but what a day. First trip out on the ski, cannot complain at all. Such a good day. I can't wait to do more of these sorts of episodes. Just punch out, find something, have a little cruise around on the ski. If you get something, you get something. If you don't, still had a good day. But so free. When you're out on the ski, it's like so easy, so chilled. I know why a lot of people have them now. That's the end of another episode, guys. Thanks so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. Bit of fun out in the ski. Obviously didn't get anything for dinner, but what a day. See you guys all out in the next adventure.